Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to record a video on Screencast-o-matic while presenting a PowerPoint and then upload that straight onto YouTube. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is launch Screencast-o-matic. You can see the website link up here at the top. If this is the first time you've ever used Screencast-o-matic, then you're going to click Start Recording for Free. If you've used it before, you're going to click this too, Start Recording for Free. Okay, if it's the first time you've used it, you might have to go through some steps to download it, but it's going to automatically shoot you back here. Click Launch Free Recorder. It's going to start trying to launch for a second. You can see that it's working now, and you'll probably have to choose something that will let that launcher open. So click Open. And you can see it's downloading and it says it's launched. So now you can see some options here. You would click both so that you can see a video of you at the bottom while you're also recording your screen of your PowerPoint. So click record. You can see I just clicked that. It'll give you a countdown. Now you're going to want to wait until you get your PowerPoint pulled up to actually press record. You can do that at any time down here in the bottom. So from there, just remember your screen is being recorded as soon as you click record. So pull your PowerPoint up first, wherever it is on your computer, then press record so that you're ready to go. When you're finished recording your video, click the pause button, and now you have some options. You're going to click done, and now you have a couple options here. You're going to choose save/upload, and you can see to the side that that gives you an option to upload to Screencast-o-matic, YouTube, Google Drive, and etc. We want to use YouTube, so we'll click that button. And now you're going to get a preview of your video, so you'll be able to watch it, and then click Upload to YouTube. Okay, so it's going to make sure that you want to launch the new web browser, which is the YouTube browser, so you're going to click Launch. And now it's going to ask what account you're wanting to use. Remember, your YouTube is now linked to your Gmail. So you're going to choose your Gmail account, your Black River email. And then it's going to make sure that you will allow it to use your videos and use your YouTube account. You're going to click Allow. Okay, now it says that it successfully authorized the account. Click Done. And now you have some options here. Your account, it should say your name here. There's a title for the recording. You can rename it there. Okay, now the privacy part is something that's kind of important. You're going to choose unlisted. If you don't want it to be seen, if you're fine with your presentation being seen on your YouTube account, click public. But if not, choose unlisted. This means that your instructor will be able to see it because you're giving her the link. Anyone else won't be able to see it, so remember that. Okay, now when you're finished with that, you'll click publish. It's really that easy. You can see that it's uploading right now to YouTube. When it gets done, it'll give you an OK, and you'll move along. Then send the YouTube link to your instructor to upload it. So here we have it done. You can choose to copy the link. And there we go. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact the Distance Education Department, or of course contact your instructor. Like I said, that gave me a link to copy, and so you'll turn that into your instructor for your assignment. So have a great day.